Hello everyone. Today for this tutorial, what we're going to be going over is using one of our core blocks. And the core blocks that we will be using today is going to be that of depth anything. Now, before we go ahead and get started, I just want to show you an additional tool that you can use in understanding some of the core blocks that we have available on ZetaForge. So the core block we're going to be talking about today would be the depth anything block. And if you want to find out more information about the block, you can definitely just hover over the information tag and you get to see additional information. So for this core block, what it does, it just performs depth estimation on an input image. So that's what we're going to be showing out how to use today. So the first step would just be to drag the core block to the canvas, and after that we're just going to drag some utility blocks to help us with the processing of the block. So we're also going to use two view image core blocks, so we're just going to put that there. Perfect, nice. And yeah, once we have all our core blocks on our canvas, we can now make the connections. So the first one we're going to make is going to be from the file to the view image block, and then we'll make one from the file path to the depth anything core block. Then we're also going to make a connection from depth anything to view images, just so we can see the result. Once that's completed, we can then select the image that we would like to do some depth estimation on. And I have an image here, which will be this one. And once that image is uploaded successfully, all we would have to do is just run the application. Okay. And while the application is running, an additional information for your at your disposal is that you could always check the progress by going to the log pipeline logs, and you can see the current status and what's the update and all the processes that are being completed. So we're just gonna wait for the processing to be completed, then we will go ahead and show the results. Okay, perfect. There we go. Okay, so we have the process being. Okay, perfect. Let's see here. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and grab that information. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the original image. And we can see that obviously the sign is the closest to us, the first building is the second closest to us, and the third building is the third closest to us, and we have the sky that's infinitely away from us. So as you can see, the result depicts exactly that. So yeah, this is a simple tutorial on how to use our depth anything block. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.